Happy Saturday, everybody. I am here at Nitro Cool Ranch with Shawn. We just had breakfast. I'm gonna pick up all the stuff. There's Nitro Cool Ranch. All the rear end, all suspension parts are going to be powder coated. Going to the powder coater. And there she is. There's radiator lady. That's why Shawn got the job, because of this car. I think that is just the absolute wildest thing around. But this is we'll do a little short on that. Let me back in. And there it is, all laid out. This is Shawn's Nitro Cool Ranch, because it's a ranch and it's cool. Brand new windshield, cracked. Piss me off. There's the radiator lady. And here we go. Here's all the components for. All this is getting powder coated. A couple parts I'm not too sure. I'm going to talk about that, but all this is good. There's the rear end. New springs, they're not going to get powder coated. The setup for the wheelie bars. The wheelie bars are chrome. And if anybody knows what this is a 1999 Jeep two-wheel drive front axle. I think it looks the best, and it's the strongest one out there. Okay, we gotta talk and see what we're gonna do. Let's go look and see what the shape the car is in. Everywhere you look here is the mock-up engine, the transmission, and there she is. Naked as can be. There's snots. Naked as can be. Got all the clothes off. Yep. Looks funny without everything on there. And there's the old tires. Makes that rear look so massive with all that hardware on it. And there you go. So we're going to do the housing, and the heim joints need to come off these, don't they?
Yes.
And then we're just going to do the axle and this, and
axle, spindle, shackle, shock mount, shackle. Yeah. Ladder bars, housing.
And housing, right, right.
Oh, and the cross member.
I was just going to say, where's that? There it is. So all this is going to get powder coated. Red, the same color as the wheels. Does that look cool? Just throw it back, Shawn. Well, put it right there then.
There it is.
Okay, what are we doing? What are we going to do with these?
That's the spindle or hub holders.
Okay,
so
what are we going to do?
Turn red.
You want red too? Okay.
These springs I just put out for reference.
Yeah,
so
yeah. Okay.
Was.
Okay, all new leaves. Should ride pretty nice.
Actually should. I went bombing out in my car the other day and I forgot how nice it is. Just lower speeds.
Yeah.
Straight axle is rough, but at any speeds over 50, it's like any car.
So this came back. This has got a
No, it didn't come back. I got it and I drove it over there, and
That's
now it's all hooked up and redone, except the idle is still not clean, so it must still have an obstruction, but it runs like a champ. So I just need to take the carburetor apart one more time.
One more
And
time.
get that fuel curve right, so it doesn't have a little leanness at idle. So it's expensive.
How you doing?
Good, how about yourself?
Good.
Howdy. Is that little white dog down here?
We just got back, so I don't know.
Yeah, we just-
I don't think so.
Your dog?
I didn't see him. Kenny.
So here is the put different headers. Used to have wheel well headers on it. This is built. How long ago did you build this, Shawn?
2012. I debuted it in 2013.
When I saw it at the Gasser show at the American Driving Museum.
Actually, I guess it didn't debut there. The first time I went in the rough with no drivetrain to Father's Day, LA Roadster Show.
Look at that dash. Ooh, hot.
I filled both sides with panels.
Yeah.
And I made the panels to go into the factory fasteners if I ever wanted to put a speedo cluster in. And the seat folds original.
Yeah?
So there's a flat fold forward. So I was thinking about putting a two-person bench in the back and AC on it and let the wife have it for a station wagon for the grandkids.
That's a stretch. It sure does look cool though. What transmission's in this?
Oh, right now it just has a 350 combo. It's
Yeah.
a daily driver now.
Yeah.
Oh, this goes next.
Oh, I forgot. I forgot, Shawn. Oh, God. Forget.
I was fixing the doors. You know, I yelled at the new owner of the 66,
Yeah.
that Bel Air.
Yeah.
He slammed the door. I said, "You slammed the door. Don't slam the doors." And he goes, "I didn't." I go, "Oh, yes, you did."
Shawn has to think about doors.
He caught his friends doing it once he learned that they worked.
This is pop metal.
It's pot metal. Yeah.
Damn.
Two-piece. It's split right in the middle.
Really? Wow.
So I want to take the R
Yeah.
off and take the R off and switch the M and the A, and it'll just say Mabel.
Mabel.
Talk to you later, Shawn. I gotta go find the white one.
Oh.
The other one's up there.
The gray one's up there, but the white one's missing.
Yeah, they can both lay it up there on the patio. But only the one's there.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You guys don't have coyotes, do you? Are these drakes?
Keep an eye out for certain.
Are these drakes? They look like him.
Yeah, you always look at those guys.
I know. I got a pair at home. I know they're drakes, and I always look for the real deal. Drake was the first aftermarket guys, I think.
I still buy Drake parts. And
What a place. What a place.
who's the other guy? Dale Carpenter.
Dale Carpenter. Well,
If you want your door seals to fit, for example, you've got to buy Carpenter's door seals. So
we're gonna load this up right now.
On the door to close it.
I'll be back when I go to the platers. Okay, also I want to add, here's my headers that came off the car. They're custom made wheel well headers. I got those. I'm pretty sure no leaks on those. And then I got the side pipes for those right here. The side pipes have the cutouts already in it, and these are set up to these are on the inside so no one sees them. Really sounds cool. In here is a baffle cone. This comes off, this will come off, and that baffle cone is in there as a baffle. There's no muffler in these, and if you have a blown car, it helps a lot. So I have these for sale here in California. Well, I'm going to put them for sale here in California, and if anybody online is interested in them, I'll be going to. The goal is Bowling Green, Kentucky in August. If we don't run out of money, we should be able to make it. But if anybody's interested, I can bring them with me. I know there's a lot of Tri-Fi guys back there. So we got that going on, and the headers. So right now I am going to run everything over to the powder coater. Hopefully there's the wheels, those got to be dismounted, and I got to send those to the chrome shop. But yeah, that's what's going on today. Okay, I'll be back when I get to the powder coaters.